Okay, this next song I'm going to do is an original Christmas carol called the Astronomers Carol. I got the idea from reading a paper by the renowned scientist and science fiction writer Isaac Asimov, where he asked the question that if the Star of Bethlehem was a real star, then what happened to the light? Or as we know, light continues in a straight line forever and ever. It doesn't slow down. Unless it hits something or is diverted by gravity. Einstein figured that out. And so I used that paper and wrote this song based around it. I'm going to go ahead and turn around now and turn on my backing tracks that I recorded earlier. Hey, while I'm at it, I may as well, turn on the fireplace. It's getting a little chilly here, so let's try that. The Astronomers Carol. Starlight, star bright, first star I see in the sky tonight. I wish that I wish that I might see my Savior born this night. Where is the light that shone from that star? Where has it gone? How fast and how far? Is it as bright as it was that first day? Do wise men still seek it? Does it still guide their way? And the star is still shining today, more than 2,000 light years away. As the scene is rehearsed across the whole universe, Jesus is born this day. Did you ever look up into the night sky and wonder, what happened to the Star of Bethlehem? I mean, is it still up there? Does it still shine? Well, scientists say there are more than 80 million stars within 2,000 light years of Earth. And that's about the same time when the Star of Bethlehem first appeared. That means that the light from that star has reached them all by now. Now, how many planets do you think there are circling those 80 million stars? And how many people might be living on those planets? Well, I don't know. But God does, because He made them all. The closest star to us is 4.3 light years away, and that's about 25 trillion miles. You know, if you got in your car traveling, say 60 miles an hour, it would take you about 48 million years to get there, and not a single McDonald's along the way. Now, light travels at 186,000 miles a second. It never slows down, it never stops, it just keeps going forever and ever, until it hits something, like a planet. You know, so the way I figure it, that same light that led the wise men to Bethlehem and the Christ child is still out there traveling across the universe, and will do so forever. Imagine, if you would, on some far distant planet, where the light from that star is just now approaching. Why, there may be wise men looking up into a night sky with 3 blue moons. they see a new star appear, and they get on purple camels with 4 humps and 6 legs, and they follow it. Well, maybe there are shepherds there too, watching green sheep. Maybe the shepherds are green too. We don't know. And then an angel appears and tells them about a Savior born on a planet far away called Earth. You see, the point is that somewhere out there, it may be Christmas just like the very first Christmas day on Earth. Before TV and iPods, Xboxes, Walmart, Black Friday, Amazon, Cyber Monday, before all that junk. Why, with all that light spreading out across the universe, it could be Christmas every second of every minute of every day, with angels flying to countless worlds, making the announcement that a child is born, peace and goodwill towards men. I'm just saying now. Still shining today, more than 2,000 light years away, as the scene is rehearsed across the whole universe. Jesus is born, Jesus is born, Jesus is born this day, more than 2,000 light years away. The Astronomers Carol.